Anyway, all right. So this is a young lady talking about independent but miserable. Interesting. Y'all let me know about the audio, man. The audio been acting kind of crazy. Let go.
Independent and alone, and y'all followed it. Don't shoot the messenger. Feminism told y'all be strong, independent, and alone, and y'all followed it to the grave. Y'all pushed all the good men away, called submission slavery, and think being difficult is cute. Now y'all 35 and tired, looking around like, oh, where the good men at? Sis, they moved on. Real men want peace, not problems in a lace front and a loud voice. Feminism sold y'all freedom, but they didn't mention the price. Loneliness.
Let me tell you something. Again, I apologize for the audio. I know that thing sounded horrible. We're gonna be on a different software next week. All right, we done with StreamYard. We done with StreamYard after today for real. But she's speaking facts. You know what I'm saying? You got you have so many women that have chose to listen to those headlines, listen to those movies, you know what I'm saying, them TV shows and those songs. Women that literally rap and sing about being independent, but they got a whole husband at home. And yes, I'm talking about Beyonce, even Destiny Child, right? They want a soldier, or they don't want no scrub. Whatever. The whole time, all of these women are either married and are engaged because Beyonce, how long have she been with Jay-Z? They done been together since I don't even know how long they've been together. They've been together for a minute though. Ain't nothing
Don't
changed,
shoot the
boy.
messenger.
Yeah.
Feminism told y'all be strong.
Sorry about that. But yeah, have been with Jay-Z for longer than I can freaking remember. And ain't nothing changing about that relationship. Like, they stuck together like glue forever. And even Kelly Rowland. I even seen Kelly Rowland and her husband and their children. I was like, damn, she got kids? Like, when did this happen? And looked phenomenal, by the way. I'm just gonna say Kelly is actually my favorite out of all the ones on Destiny Child. I'm just gonna keep it a band with you. Kelly Rowland is definitely my favorite. I think she is phenomenal. Shout out to her, man. And what was the last young lady's name? Oh man, what is her name, man? God. Um. Anyway, the one that failed. Even she's married. I think she got a white guy. But hey, I ain't judging. I'm not saying anything is wrong with it. Do what you do as long as you're happy. If you like it, I'll love it. But yeah, Michelle, that's her name. Michelle actually has somebody too. I think it's a white man. I think it's white. I have to go back and look. But yeah, man, y'all got to get off that doggone that independent thing. Which I'll be honest with you, I don't see an issue with it. If that's what you want to do, then that's what you want to do. But what I'm sick and tired of seeing and hearing is people or young ladies that brag about being independent and they get on the internet and they complain that there aren't any good men out here. You were literally just carrying that flag and flaunting, I'm strong, I'm independent, I pay all my bills, which is what regular adults are supposed to do. You're a grown adult. Like, what are we bragging about? How, when did that be considered as being strong and independent? What the hell? Like, that's we have we have gotten to the point now where these individuals want these damn participation trophies so freaking bad for just doing regular ish. You're doing regular ish, man. Man, you got people out there that's been doing it with far less for far longer and never looked or ever said anything about being strong and independent. Like, you just being an adult. That ain't got nothing to do with anything. But again, you want to wear that title, don't be upset when you done scared all the men away and they don't want to deal with you because that's what you lead with. You lead with being strong. You lead with being independent. Okay, cool. So I'm here for a good time, not a long time. You know what I'm saying? You want to be independent, you want to be strong, cool. I'll bust it down. I bust it down, you know what I'm saying? We'll make it do what it do, and I'm going about my business. Don't get upset. No, 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 baby girl. No. I don't want to hear it. You say you independent. All right. You've been putting that on Facebook, on TikTok, Instagram, or whatever. We don't need no man. Huh? Okay. All right. Shoot. Say no more. I mean, I've seen your posts. I've seen your TikToks and your YouTube videos. Talking about you don't need men. Men ain't okay, cool, cool. But what I'm not about to do is I'm not about to wife up or get with anybody that has constantly put that type of stuff out there. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it because everybody gonna look at me like I'm crazy. Nah, stick to your guns. Like I used to say, keep that same energy. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments, man? Do y'all think that all of these women out here that are screaming or that were screaming, they were strong and independent? Would that be, guys, would that be the type of woman that you're looking to wife up? Somebody that's, again, bragging about being strong and independent? Because I still believe there are two different things. I think there are women out there that know and understand I'm just being an adult. I'm just making sure that I'm taking care of myself. Everything is good. I'm not looking for anybody to take care of me. I knew and I understood when I moved out of my mom's house, my dad's house, or whoever my guardian was, that this is what we are supposed to do as grown adults, human beings, or whatever. And so if I do just so happen to get somebody, man, yeah, I'm just living life. I'm not identifying myself as a stronger, independent. No, I'm not doing it. Y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about this though? Shout out to this young lady, man. Shout out to her.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.